The area businesses and hospitals also taking extra steps to prevent the virus.
That's right. Reggie Wells is live in Monroe. He talked with one cleaning service business owner about the services they offer. Reggie, I'm sure business right now is booming.
Jennifer, Jeff, Brent Alexander with ServiceMaster Action Cleaning says their phones are ringing off the hook. He says local schools, hospitals, and businesses are doing what they can to prevent viruses before it's too late.
We've probably done maybe a half dozen others, since Friday and over the weekend and today, and still getting calls.
Brent Alexander, president of ServiceMaster Action Cleaning, says he and his guys have been spraying all over Northeast Louisiana to keep schools and businesses clean.
We're spraying all of our schools and all of the other educational facilities. I know we did some work at a hospital today that's not on our list of clients, and we've done some other daycare facilities as well as businesses.
ServiceMaster uses electrostatic spraying to give their clients the best clean possible.
We can touch 100% of surfaces in an area. The spray would wrap 360 degrees around everything that it's around, so it would actually get inside of here without us having to spray or wipe.
Alexander says their service works best when it's supplemented with other actions. So it's important they provide their clients with a spritz of important information.
You can do more by yourself by keeping your own workspace clean with disinfectant wipes and hand hygiene.
That holds especially true for high touch points like door handles and light switches too.
The entrance handle to a building, that's a high touch point where if somebody were infected, they just infected that surface. So things like that need to be wiped down several times during the day.
Alexander also encourages people to keep as many doors open as possible, so that's one less thing you have to touch. And also read those labels on sprays to make sure you give the products the necessary time to really disinfect surfaces before you give them that final wipe. As Alexander mentioned, the best way to stay safe and to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is to wash your hands and also disinfect as much as you can. Live in Monroe, Reggie Wells, KNOE 8 News.